So now we're going to revisit the executive summary and do a little more on viewing and changing recommended insights inside of these summaries. And we've done some of this already in the previous lecture. I kind of jumped into that at the tail end of the last lecture, but I want to get into this a little more fully and show you how the changes that we made are retained inside of the executive summary now once we revisit it. If you recall,
the average product, the expected margin of a transaction is 34 point.
Let me mute him. But if you recall, I did some thumbs up and thumbs down on some things, and so we want to see if those did persist. And just as a reminder, we toggled on discovery mode, and you can see the different areas here as far as what happened over time or what changed over time. And you can click on an individualized result, and you can see predictive analytics around what should happen next month. I'll be getting into some of these result types and how these are affected later on in the next section of the course, and speak more on the different types of ways you can get to this kind of data soon. But what I wanted to show you specifically is if we get into some of this other information, as I click on other results and we personalize the story, you see that these changes persisted as far as the region being Germany, and that's been downvoted previously. And so I did not click that again. That has been saved from the last time. So we had the -2 and the +3 from our previous influence here on customizing and editing the summary information. And so if I close and read full story by clicking here, I want to also show you as well that if I go to the stories dashboard, that our AP distribution has now 17 insights instead of 16. And so I just wanted to reaffirm and confirm that those changes that we make do persist and save. And we also saw that our thumbs up and thumbs down did persist and save automatically without us having to click apply or anything like that. And so that does confirm that the online help with Salesforce is correct when it says that once the executive summary is done, those changes are saved. So with that said, that rounds out this particular section of this course. And next, we're going to be getting into sharing and exporting stories. And so this is where you will be getting familiar with the options we have via the share and export button, which is found here. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the other side.